Hello everyone, welcome to the Data Science Practical Series. In this session, we will study about the what-if analysis. So, what-if analysis in Excel refers to the process of changing the values in cells to see how these changes affect the outcome of formulas on the worksheet. So, if we already have a formula and we want to make some changes and we want to see what changes occur in the corresponding cells, so with that we can do with what-if analysis. Now this is a powerful tool which allows us to explore different scenarios and understand the impact of various input values on the results. So let us see this with one example. So I have a data set, I created a small data set, and then we will see what we can do with the what-if analysis. Let's see. So this is a small example where we have this month. So these are the months up to May, and then the income in those months, and these are the expenses actually: rent, utilities, groceries, transportation, entertainment. So we will first see how to find the expense. So of course it is very easy. We'll just add all these horizontal cells of this particular month and we get the expense. So either we can use a formula or we can directly do here. I'll just select this, go into the expense part, and as you can see, auto sum, we have this auto sum. Okay, so if we get this, then you can see there is we have this percent in terms for percentage. So we just click here and go into general. So this is the expense. So we get the expense. All this is the expense. So we get the total expense here. Now we want to find the saving. Okay, saving. So we go into the formula. Okay, we type equal to. So this is equal to income minus the expense. So this is the expense. Okay, so we get this. I just press equal to, so we get this. Now we can just drag this down. So this is done for all the corresponding months. Now this we convert this particular table into the official format of the this Excel format. So we'll just click on table here and with this. So now this is the table. Okay, we can even have this all the borders here. Go into home and we have this. Okay, so now this is the saving. Now let us see what we can do with the what if. Okay, so we go in this formulas tab. Okay, sorry, 1 minute. Okay, so we go in this data tab. Okay, this is the data, and here we can see what if analysis. Okay, so first I will click on this first, the savings month of the Jan. I click on this what if analysis and click on this goal seek. So we have this set, this already selected 275. So this is actually L5 cell. Okay, you can see this one. Now what we want to set, so this value is 2750. Suppose I want to make savings of that particular month to be 3000. Okay, now what should I change? Okay, now these are the expenses. So which expense can I actually control so that I get this much amount of savings? Suppose I click on transportation. Okay, so if I click on transportation and okay, so as we can see, it was previously some value was there. Let us see what I forgot this value. So it was 400. Okay, now this 400, let us do it again. I'll just click here. Okay, and go into what if analysis. Okay, and click on goal seek. Okay, so we want to make this savings up to 3000 instead of 2750. So I need 250 more. So suppose I cut this expense, I want to change this expense. I'll just click here. Okay, and so this becomes 150. So 400, it becomes 150. So this is what we can do. Okay, we can cut the expense on transportation. Let us see one more example. I want to cut the increase the saving in the month of, let us say, April. Okay, so I'll just click here, what if analysis, goal seek. Okay, now let us say I want to make this to value as 3000 again. Okay, now I want to cut the, let us say, the grocery one. So I'll just check it here. Okay, and click on groceries. Okay, and okay, so as we can see, the grocery cost is 60. It was previously more, and this is how we do. So we can do, of course, more things. This is the simplest thing we can do with this. So we can do, of course, more analysis with this. So that's all for this particular session. Thanks for watching.